It is actually pretty thick. And it's like a novel. Pretty light. The book is totally 600 pages. That's a lot. And they got a lot of pages about the appendix. I like the font. It's very clear and easy to read. Even though the paper is not that super white, you can compare it with my background paper. This is white and this is a little bit dark, but the font at least is easy to read. It got lots of graphs and lots of notes underneath here. Lots of notes. Alright, it's the time to read. Hopefully I can read it through and learn something from it. Hopefully this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.